Hey everybody, you're looking at a really cool cash register display. This is a new old stock for your enjoyment Peerless beer. This is property of LaCrosse Breweries in LaCrosse, Wisconsin. Peerless was a mid-century beer. They went out of business, I believe, in 1955 or 1966. This is an awesome little light. It would sit on these little rubber legs. Kind of hard to see with that light bulb in there. And by the way, that's a 15-watt light bulb. And it would stand up like that and advertise the beer. I've got other lights on right now, but there's a nice little glow if I turn these other lights off. Great color. I don't want to put a brighter bulb in there. The cord, brand new, still wrapped up like it was when it was made. And here's the back. Here's the bottom. Turn the lights again. Kind of a gunmetal gray sheet metal. Looking at the top, it's a very nice piece. For scale, again, that's a standard US dollar bill size. That's a $2 bill, but same size. If you're ever looking for the original box, this is what the original box looks like, just corrugated. This one's made in Rock Island, Illinois. There's an address on the other side, so I'm not going to show you that side on the internet, but that's what the original box looks like. It's a real cool sign, a really cool addition to anyone's man cave or beer cave, and just thought you'd like to see it. See down here it says property of LaCrosse Breweries, LaCrosse, Wisconsin. Very cool.